Welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tips. This week I'll be going over our merge openings functionality in our clash detection engine. Now this is kind of a complementary tip to our opening framing rule set video that was posted a couple of weeks ago on our YouTube channel, so I do suggest you go ahead and check it out. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So you see there on my screen, I have the very same model that my colleague used for that opening framing rule set video, but now I'm going to show you how to merge some of those openings, especially if the conduits are kind of like really close together. Let me show you an example of that now. Just going to swing around here. So as you see here, these two conduits are awfully close together, as are these two here, the blue one and the orange one here, one on top of the other. So if you were to run the clash detection right now, MWF will recognize every single penetration that's going through those walls, and it will generate an opening around every one of those openings. So here, let me just show you. So I'll choose my link here. I have a link, but this again works for live Revit elements as well. Come into my Pro tab, hit the interference and the clash detection. Now, again, I suggest you look at that video. I'm going to use that rule set in that video I mentioned. It's going to show you how to set these up. And if I run the clash detection, you'll see there that I have two individual openings. So you might be tempted to delete that one, take this one here, and bring it out and treat it as one opening. It just makes more sense to frame this as one opening. So MWF has exactly that functionality to address this, which eliminates you having to go through your project and deleting the openings and saying, well, this should be one, and pulling and pulling. So what you can do, so let me just do a few Control Z's here. What you can do is the same process, but now I'll do it for all of them, so we'll see that come in here as well. So just blanket select everything, your Pro tab, your interference, run your clash detection. I'm going to click on that merge openings, and this here will no longer be grayed out and be available for me to click on. There we go, we'll click on that. Once again, we'll use that same rule set for that clash detection. And here is where you're going to actually input those tolerances around those openings. So just follow what this here, the TL means to the left. So anything 1 foot to the left of that opening, anything to the right, 1 foot, to the top 1 foot, and to the bottom 1 foot, it will merge it into one opening. Oops, I forgot that one there, excuse me. And there we go, and click that checkbox, and now you'll see it happens quite quickly. You'll see here that it will be treated as one opening. There's that one opening there around those two conduits there, and that other example right there, it was treated as one opening. So you see that merge openings, quite a practical functionality that we have. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tech.